Hey guys, season has come to an end. What I've noticed with my down jacket is that it's moderately stained, it's a little soiled, and more importantly, I've noticed that I've lost some of the warming properties, which is due to the clumping of the down clusters within the baffles of the garment itself. It's time to go ahead and get this washed so I can use it in the seasons ahead and the years ahead. No big deal. With a little bit of patience and the proper detergent, there's no reason why anyone can't do this. Let's go ahead and dive right in. Perform a pre-wash inspection of your down jacket. Open the zippers. Empty the pockets. Inspect the face fabrics and seams both inside and out for any nicks, tears, or other damage. Repair as needed. Close all zippers. Loosen any pull cords, Velcro, or other areas of tensioning. Then place it into a mesh bag to protect your down jacket. When you wash your down jacket or other down clothing, you want to make sure you have a down specific detergent. Reason being is one of the worst things you can do in this wash process is to allow harsh chemicals such as normal detergents, fabric softeners, or bleaches to become involved, because what they're going to do is strip the down clusters of their natural fats and oils. They're also going to have a negative effect on any water repellent treatment at the same time. Once you've got that, you want to focus on the washing machine itself. Preferably you want a front load washer with no agitator. However, if you have only a top load, you can use it, again, so long as there's no agitator in the center. First thing I like to do is open up the detergent tray. Make sure it's clean. You don't want any of those residual chemicals getting into your down product. Once that's clean, check your drum. If there's any heavy film, clean it out. Make sure it's good to go. If you've got kids, take the Legos out, take the toy soldiers out, and you're good to go. Wash on low to medium heat, low spin. Gentle cycle or permanent press will work. Rinse twice to remove all detergent from the down. Detergent is just as harmful to the performance of down as are oils and grease for degrading technical performance. Next, it's time to dry the down. Remove the down jacket from the mesh bag and place it in the dryer with 1 to 3 clean tennis or wool dryer balls. The purpose of the balls is to assist with the restoration of the loft of the down in the tumbling process. Dry thoroughly on low heat. Ensure your down jacket is completely dry. Run your down jacket through another 1 to 2 dry cycles as needed. Keep in mind that just because the face fabrics may appear dry doesn't mean that the down within is dry itself. Now that your down jacket is clean and ready for the mountain again, keep in mind this is good practice to perform likely once per year. You only need to clean your down when dirty or it loses its loft. And also keep in mind, down sleeping bags require a different technique when it comes to their washing.